One more time.
Yep. Bam, what's goody kings? Jordan Baywood here, and I'm with Johnny 5, and he is a rapper and singer. Amazing. Play his music right now.
Okay, like who was this call on my phone? Niggas know better, the fuck is you on? Louis the sweater, Da Vinci cologne. When I touch down in camp, bitch, I feel I'm at home. And I'm stuck in the T, but I'm still putting on. Say you know me, boy, you flexing, you don't.
Today, what we're gonna do is something very exciting, something that I've never seen done before. I'm gonna teach him how to make his first hip hop beat. I can't use my hands, I can't touch the keyboards. I have to walk him through every question and every problem he has. So this is gonna be part 1 of the series. Part 2, he's gonna learn how to record himself, his own vocals, because he's never done that. He usually goes to a studio. The 3rd episode is we're gonna have him mix the track to what he likes, and it's gonna be radio ready. So this is episode 1, let's get it. The first thing we're gonna do is start off with finding a sound. And what I like doing is going to looperman.com. And this is a place that producers upload a bunch of samples so you can get melodies that you catch a vibe. And then click on loops and samples. I suggest if you don't have an account, everybody get an account for Looperman. It's a very great place for royalty-free things. So if you find a dope melody, you use it from here, you can upload to Spotify. You don't have to give any, credit. It's a royalty fee. So what I like going is by keyword. So type in a famous artist that we're trying to do the type B. Gunna. Perfect. Play, go through some, find a vibe that you like. Let's go through a few different ones. Download a few. My bitch bad. What? That's all I got.
Whoa. Y'all didn't know Baywood had bars.
You don't know, now you know.
It's not bad.
Let's go. You wanna go with that one?
Yeah.
Because you already have a beat in mind and you're ready. And then type in the search in the top right up there, all the way. Yep. Type in Ableton. I'm gonna show you how to make your first. Guys, I produce in Ableton. I feel like it has one of the quickest flows, and double click on that. For production, and I use Logic for mixing and mastering. What we're gonna do is hit those 3 little bars up in the right, above the yellow. Yep. Now this is our workflow. So top left where you see 120, double click that and type in 92. 92, hit enter. All right, perfect. Now go to Finder in the bottom left of the Mac, yep. We're gonna go to downloads, or recents, yep. And then that top, drag that one in right there, yep. Yep, nice. Yeah, anywhere is fine. Now drag that loop all the way to the left, the top part of it, the red part, you're gonna wanna click on that. Boom. Okay. See that little dash right above there? Yeah. Drag that to the left. Okay, and then, yeah, to the 9. Now go to drums on the left, all the way, categories, and then drag that drum rack into that second clip. Yep. Now this is where our drum machine is gonna be. So we're gonna find dope drums. Let's go to the baby drums down here in the places, bottom left. And then what do you wanna start with? Kick.
Let's go kick.
Okay, so open up that kick folder. Yep, and then just play them and...
That one.
Okay, right there, and then drag that drum rack again because it accidentally left it. And drag that kick in to the first C1. Now, what I like to do is, let's go to, what's the next? You wanna do a clap, snare?
Let's go clap.
Okay, so go to claps up there, open that up. I love that, that's my favorite, yep. Drag that down to the spot next to the kick. Right now, guys, we're building a drum rack so we can easily just quickly make a beat.
No, we can go hi-hats.
Hi-hats, yep, open up hi-hats. And we can always change out sounds later, too.
Right. Okay, we'll take that.
Boom, you're getting it. And then maybe some perks. Find some dope perks that... That's my favorite. I love those. That's fierce. And then open that snare one down below, and let's find some snares because I heard you doing that boom, tap, boom, boom, like so we could find some up. Ooh. Yep, that's the one. Now highlight a region like from 1 to 5.
Right here.
Yeah, like just drag a line. Yep. Perfect. Go to one more bar. Yep. Right double click on it. Yep. Oh, do it again. 4 bar of highlights.
Jesus.
Yeah.
All right, I'm understanding now.
It gets a little tricky. This is why I didn't want to touch the hand, so I could really figure out what's the hardest part about producing.
Should I delete that too?
Yeah, delete that because you want it to be all in one. It's a double click. It's like 2 fingers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yep. Hit insert MIDI clip. Right there.
Yeah, beautiful.
Boom. The kick usually starts always on the 1, so you can just simply just put a kick right on the 1. It would be at the bottom, that kick. Double click. Boom. Now you got a kick in place. Now you put a clap on the 1.2 and the 1.4. Yep. Yep. So now hit play or hit spin. Just keep putting your claps.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice, dude. I mean, you already. That's even. It's nice. I would Command D to duplicate that, and then you can just drag that whole thing over to the 3. Yep. Over a little bit more.
Just a little bit more.
Yep. Over more. Watch. You'll see what I mean. Keep going to the 2.
The 3.
Right there.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh. I'd fill up those 2 gaps. Ooh.
So then I could just duplicate these, right? Or copy these over?
Yeah,
all the way down?
yeah, you can. And then just drag it over to the 4, yeah.
5?
To the 4. 4.4 over a little bit, right there. And then go back to this drum rack, hit this, because I want to loop a 4-bar loop. Yeah. And then bring this over to the 5, on the 5. And then right click on that top little gray bar, right here. Yeah, right click on it. Right click on it. Yeah. And then loop, hit loop. And then to go back into MIDI, just double click on the pink. Double click on the top little bar of the pink, yep. Double left click, there you go.
Oh, shit.
Maybe that last one, I think. And then you just gotta drag it. Oh no. You wanna get in the middle of it, yeah. Ooh. Ooh, move that first hat over 1 little bar. That first one on the left over here. This one.
This one.
Yep, move it over 1. Watch. Nope, to the right one. Yeah, watch this. Now go into the perks, put those wherever you think. I think those would go on the the last clap or something. Dude, I like how the hi-hat.
Maybe a little less ding and like maybe put it under a little bit more.
Yeah, so drag that little blue thing down. That little red arrow.
Right here?
Yeah, drag that down a bit. And drag the other one on top of it down. You see the one above it? Yeah, that one. Drag it down. That just quiets it. Oh.
Actually,
It's like
you know what?
put that first. Nice. That's that snare, I think.
This right here?
Yeah, I think that top, yeah. I think that's gonna be sick.
What if I put it like that? No.
can come in with the snare, like on the, yeah.
I kind of like the snare and the clap. Actually, you know what? This is what I'm gonna do. Watch this.
Dude.
Here we go. Watch this.
Ah.
Just to give that second part more of a.
Yeah, duplicate that. I think it's boom, boom. So like one over here, up here.
One right here.
One next to it, like, but 2 bars over, a little tap, 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 you know? Right.
So, like,
I think would be right there. Yeah. And then 2 over. Yep. I think that. All right, so pause this. Let's get the 808. Press drum rack at the bottom right.
Drum rack. This is fucking dope, dude. I'm about to be on fucking day.
Hit 808s at top. Oh, that's why. Bring this little white bar over. Okay. So we zoom into this whole thing. Yeah. Boom. Right there. Okay, here, go to instruments. Right there, below drums. And then drag a simpler over into the bottom. Nope, all the way to the bottom. Like where it says drop files. Yeah. All right, now go back to your 808s. Did baby. And drag that on right here. Nope, right here. Yep. All right. Now you're gonna make a MIDI clip. Drag, copy this, hit Command. Click on the top part of the pink, and then hit Command C. And then click on the first bar down here, and then on this track though, on the baby 808. Yep. Hit Command V. Put a little marker right here on the over 1 bar. Yep. Command V. All right, now double click that. And then get rid of everything above this bottom notes, because that's your kick. That's gonna be your 808 pattern.
So get rid of
all those pink notes above it.
About all this right here?
Yeah, above that, those first C1 notes. So just highlight. Yep.
Fuck me.
All right, hit delete. Perfect.
Hit delete.
Delete, yep. And then get rid of these all top. Yep. Highlight all these, and then extend it a little bit. Yep, perfect. Yep, extend it to like that. And we're just gonna keep dragging it up, drag it up to like C3, because that's, and then just hold it and drag, yep. Somewhere, because it's not gonna be the right note, we gotta get it in key, but it's gonna be somewhere around here. Try that, yeah, hit play. Now your ears gotta hear the key, is that, if it's in key to you, it's in key. And you can hit like up on the up arrow to go up a key. That sounds like that. So.
Right there? Yeah, that's it. That's definitely it.
And you just made your first beat. Let's fucking get it. He just made his first beat ever. Literally first time touching Ableton in his life. I did not touch one thing. That was like I'm like sweating right now. But can we get a little freestyle a little bit?
Oh, you want a freestyle?
But next video will be recording a song to this beat you made. So just hit play and let's hear it.
Shit. Look, hey, okay, like I was on my last, down bad, ain't had no cash. Folks that used to pass, stare me down, bust a laugh. Used to rock them Hemis, no designer on my ass. Now I shoot for Grammys and a finer bitch with class. Like what you know about them late nights, cooking in the booth to get my cake right. Bitch, I'm in the stew, this ain't no motherfucking date night, now take flight. And I'm just spazzing on these niggas. They like, dawg, when you take off, hit the gas on these niggas. I turn nothing into something just from snapping. So how the fuck you hate me when I'm making this shit happen? And I've been thinking lately about who riding and who acting. Swear these niggas trying to break me. I ain't sliding, I got trust. Word up.
What the? What the fuck?
Word up.
I just put you on the spot, dude. Yeah. Guys, if you like that and want part 2 of this video, drop a like and turn that shit to confetti. Drop a comment down below. What you think about his first beat ever, and what's some other, we're gonna be together for like 3 weeks straight at Airbnbs here in Florida, so we're gonna be shooting videos every freaking day. It's pure talent right here. And it was amazing to watch you make your first beat.
Thank you, brother.
Next
Thank you.
part of the series, you're gonna learn how to record yourself.
Yes, sir.
Let's get it.
Yes, sir.
Peace.
I know it's hard what you going through. I feel your pain when I look at you. I see your eyes and they tell the truth. Never felt this way, how I feel at you. Staying by your side, I ain't never turn my back. And when my baby down, I'ma pick up on this slack. Don't you ever frown, we gon' count up all these racks. Just wanna see you smile.